going on, guys? Coming back with a box break Unrivaled. Oh, these are those really thin packs. I forgot about these. Big piece of styrofoam in there. These packs are like super thin. You can tell which one has the patch auto in it. Let's just start cracking. Yeah, I'm calling a 101 too. I haven't pulled a 101 in like a month or a month and a half. Jerome Harrison rookie number to 499 for the Browns. I'm not going to show any of the rookies. We'll just show the autographs and the all base, but you got to show this guy. Freaking Donald Brown. Donald Brown. It's my boy. Donald Brown base card. I'm going to take that from John without a name. Think he'll notice. John Skelton rookie number to 999. Got an old school Earl Campbell number to 499. I'll flash that really quick. One of those old school cards. Right. Take a Donald Brown second year card. Might get a penny for it. I probably wouldn't even sell for a penny on eBay. That's actually all base pack. Okay, this is going to be one of the thick rookies. I can feel it. This is one of the thicker jersey card. Yeah, one of the thick rookies. Actually, it's not even a thick rookie. It's just a thick card. Number 47 of 759. Fred Jackson gold. 18 packs, I think. 18 or 24. No, 24. 24 packs. All base. All base. Still looking for our first hit. For the Lions, number 999, Calvin Johnson. Mike Williams, number to 999 for the Bucks. All the hits must be at the bottom of the box. This might be our first hit. Nope. Oh, it would have been sick if it was. Number to 499, rookie card of Tim Tebow. I thought that was an autograph. About had a heart attack. I know Brent was wanting a Tim Tebow autograph. I think that's our jersey. We're gonna save that. Like sort of a thick pack there. All base. Well, we haven't pulled one hit yet. What the hell's going on here? There's our patch autograph there. All base. Let's start whipping through these really quick. Oh, still looking for an autograph. Nope, all base. Wow. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left. Santana Moss, number to 499. Actually, you got 8 packs left. But wow, all base again. Where the hell's all our autographs at? We're supposed to get 2. That's another thick one too. Just get 2 autographs, a jersey card and a jersey patch. That's what I've gotten out of the other ones I've opened. Monty Edwards rookie, number to 999. Peyton Manning base card on the back. Reggie Wayne base card. All base. Alright, well, we better start throwing some hits in these last couple packs because we've got absolutely nothing. Hit. Yep, got a hit. That's actually a nice one too. Number 10 of only 99. It is for the Broncos. It's going to be a black version. Number 10 and 99 of Demaryius Thomas. Very nice. Broncos, Brent. Very nice, man. Demaryius Thomas black auto. Number 2, 99. Very nice. What the hell? And Brent actually sent me a PM. He has no sound. So, Brent, he can look at it, but he can't say anything about it. And there's our other autograph, number 680 for the Cardinals. Another wide receiver, Andre Roberts. It's gonna. I think I pulled some sick Andre Roberts last week out of a certified break. Andre Roberts hit. Okay, let me open this last thing here. Somebody PM Brent and tell him he got the Raiders, please. All base. Here's our patch. These are both thick. One of these is a jersey. One of these is a jersey card. I got a Steve Smith gold, number to 759. I think this is our jersey card here. Nope, didn't get a jersey this time. Sean Green, number to 759. Only got 3 hits, so this better be a sick patch. I'll do a slow roll for you guys. Figure out which way it goes. Booklet would have been nice, but it's not a booklet. It's a thick card. Alright, good luck. Here we go. Looks like a bangle. Jordan Shipley. Nice patch. Jordan Shipley, sick. Kajana Carter. Jordan Shipley, nice looking patch. Autograph, number to 349. That's actually really nice. Jordan Shipley's a beast too. Check that out. Nice looking patch, numbered 127 of 349. Jordan Shipley, very nice. So not a bad box, but the autograph number to 99, or yeah, 10 of 99, and then Roberts. So Demaryius Thomas, Andre, that was a wide receiver box, all wide receivers. So pretty sick. All right, come back with some more. Bowman Shootout.